In this tutorial, we will do a high-level overview of setting up our development environment so that we can be prepared for doing all our hands-on JDBC and Spring JDBC template examples. For my YouTube students, this slideshow is part of a YouTube playlist. The playlist URL will be listed in the description and comments of this lesson. All source code for this playlist will be available for free in a GitHub repository. This slide shows the development environment that we will be using for the course. Java is of course runnable on most modern operating systems, and Windows 10 can be swapped out easily for Mac OS, Unix, or Linux. We will look at separate installation and configuration videos after this tutorial for downloading, installing and setting up OpenJDK 11, Git and GitHub, IntelliJ, mariadb, Maven, Tomcat 8. I do believe that using the official documentation will provide you with a head start and a better understanding of the overall development setup. This slide shows the official download and installation guides for the Java OpenJDK 11. Here you can pick the correct one for your operating system and download and install. The links will also be made available in the description of this tutorial. Always remember that Google is your friend in case these links stop working or they get moved after this course has been published, and you need to find the official download and installation guides. This slide shows the official Git homepage and the download and installation URL for Git, which is what we will use as source control in our project. You will be able to use Git to get access to the source control and work your way through the examples. This slide shows the official download and installation URL for IntelliJ. Note here that the ultimate trial is required because we will be using database tools and SQL or SQL, which are not available in the free version. We will be using mariadb, which is an open source fork of the popular MySQL database, which was bought and owned by Oracle. We will be downloading and installing mariadb version 10.59, and we will use the IntelliJ database tools to create, configure, and populate our database. We will be using Maven to manage our project structure, builds, and releases. IntelliJ comes with Maven integration, which will help with our demonstrations. We will use Tomcat to demonstrate how to set up JDBC database access within a web server using JNDI and Spring. Here we will also set up Tomcat integration within IntelliJ so that we can debug our JDBC Java code inside a running instance of Tomcat. Well, in case you got stuck along the way, the following set of short tutorials will walk you through downloading, installing, and setting up the development environment in Windows 10.